Hi, David here with Tough Tractors. This is a Yanmar F235D, 3-cylinder, 4-wheel drive, 28 horsepower tractor. Has a new loader, 5-foot bucket on it. It's got the easy on, easy off, nothing to climb over to get in and out. This is a rare find for me. This is, I get a lot of nice tractors, good tractors. This is top notch. Somebody's taken really good care of this thing. A lot of times these toolboxes are broken off. That one's not. It's got the auto tilt 3-point. So if you want to tilt your implement this way or this way, just push the button up here. Extremely low hours for this many horsepower. It's 1,521 hours. Excellent condition. Obviously it's been kept indoors somewhere in a carport or garage or something. Tires are in excellent shape. It's got the slots for weights on the rear wheels. And it's got those are the buttons for the auto adjust. It's got the auto leveling for the tiller on the back if it had a tiller. It's got 3 main gears, 3 drive gears right here, 4-speed PTO. That's emergency brake there. Quick turn 4-wheel drive. So if you're taking a turn and you turn it sharp, I know people have 4-wheel drive trucks. You try turning your truck in 4-wheel drive, turn it sharp and see what happens. It kind of goes boom, 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 boom. With this thing in a quick turn, it doesn't do that. It's got a throttle on the handle. It's got the throttle down here. Been completely serviced, no oil leaks. Somebody's taking good care of it because the filters that I changed look pretty new. Oil looked pretty good. Lights work. Horn works. That bucket will go up over 7.5 feet. And if you had it weighed properly in the back to counterbalance it, you can fill it up with rocks. It's going to lift it. Pretty sure what the turn signals work. I know the lights work. Let me see. Yeah, look at that one. Go ahead and start it up. Take it out of gear first, so I don't get run over. Show you how this auto tilt works here. Look, it even has the rear lights on it. Button right here. It's a really nice feature for a tractor. If you want to put a slope on a driveway or whatever you want to do, it's really nice. What's nice for me is to put a implement on. It's simple because you just put one side on, and if you're not on a perfectly level area, you just use that auto tilt to move the other side down, which is pretty nice, especially if you have a big implement like a tiller or something heavy like that. Anyhow, there it is. Really nice tractor. I had a guy actually put a deposit on this tractor the other day, and then he decided it was too much of a tractor for him, so he went down a couple notches for a different one that I had. But anyhow, shown with the optional J-bar box scraper. We have box scrapers, which are brand new out of Georgia. We've got brand new post hole diggers out of Kansas City. We have some used tillers every now and then. I don't have any now, but every now and then I get some in. So if you want to see this tractor or other tractors we have, go on our website at ToughTractors.com, ToughTractors.com.